Hey, it's Dale, one of you, these twin foodies. I am at Rocky's Hot Chicken Shack on Sweeten Creek Road. And check this out, man. Oh, this chicken, the chicken breast. Check this. Nice, crispy. Got some gravy, chicken gravy. Got barbecue sauce, Cheerwine barbecue sauce. And of course, I had to splurge just a little bit. Check out that chocolate chunk cookie. So yeah, so now I got they got hot stuff. But I got the honey mild, so it's not supposed to be as hot. We're gonna try it. Got just enough heat to let you know that it's there. That's good stuff. Like gravy. And of course, I do have Cheerwine, so Cheerwine or sweet tea with that much Cheerwine. Very good. All right. Again, Rocky's Hot Chicken Shack, Sweeten Creek Road in Asheville. So I'm gonna give them a try. Hoorah. Love piece chicken grease. We're out of here.